Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Fall 2020 FABFITFUN unboxing. I love showing you my FABFITFUN boxes because they are chock full of amazing products for such an amazing deal. And I'm so ready to get into fall vibes, and the seasonal FABFITFUN boxes are the perfect way to get ready for the next season. So if you're not familiar with FABFITFUN, it comes 4 times a year and they are $49.99, but you get at least $250 worth of value. And it's lifestyle products, so you'll get beauty and skincare, hair care, accessories, clothing, houseware type things, basically all things that I love. And I have an annual subscription, which means I get to make even more choices than the regular seasonal subscription. So I think I got to choose probably like 3 products or so in this box. Of course, I have no clue, no recollection what I chose, but without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what I got. Of course, I always love the boxes. They are so cute. I usually keep the bottom section and use them for storage bins. Here's a little magazine which will have product information in it. And this looks like a very full box. So on top here I have some coupons for, wine, Bright Cellars. And then of course they always have a HelloFresh type coupon in here. And here are my products. Why don't I start on the side here and pull out this one. Oh, this is from the brand The Laundress New York Crease Release Classic, removes wrinkles. I love wrinkle releasing sprays. I use one from Downy, I think, and I've been using it for years and it works so well. And maybe this is a very similar type product. Yeah, that sounds like exactly what it is. So you can bring this on the go when you don't have an iron, and it will seriously remove wrinkles from your clothing. And this has a retail value of $16. I'm very curious what my total retail value will be, so I am gonna add up the retail value of everything. But I'm really excited about that first product. All right, next up, I'm pulling out a product from another brand I'm not familiar with. This is from the brand Hythe, Tranquility Sleep Mist. You know what? I feel like I get a lot of sleep mists in FABFITFUN, which is totally fine. I use a sleep mist, so glad to have it. It's formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, rice water to promote a tranquil sleep. Retail value of $22. I like to spray the sleeping mist onto my pillow or just into the air before going to sleep. Even though I'm not going to sleep right now, I kind of want to spray it just to see what it smells like. I don't smell anything. Spray it right onto my wrist. Oh, okay, now I smell it. Oh, I love the smell of lavender. And that's what I feel like is the prominent aroma. But gosh, that is not strong at all. Like, the smell is already gone from my wrist. That's kind of a bummer. This is not very long lasting or potent. Not that you want it to be super strong when you're sleeping, but yeah, like if I were to let you smell my wrist right now, you would smell absolutely nothing. So that's a real bummer. All right, next up I have, Glossmetics hair removal device. Okay, actually, I'm pretty sure I chose this product. I don't know why. I keep trying at-home hair removal devices or laser hair removal. I've tried that as well, because nothing has worked for me. I should really just give up, but I don't want to give up. And so what I have here, Glossmetics hair removal device to instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. Maybe this is not a laser hair removal device and it's more just kind of like a razor? Maybe I should have done a little bit more research on this before choosing it, because I don't really have any need for a portable razor. Who knows? Maybe I'll give it a try. I was really excited for it to be a laser hair removal device. Maybe it leaves the skin a little bit more smoother for longer than a razor. I don't know, I'll try it out. Here I have, this is really cute packaging from the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. Ooh, this is a highlighter. I love highlighters. This has a retail value of $19.50. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's like a liquid highlighter with a dropper. I love products like this. You know what, I'm gonna save this and try it out as part of my trying a new makeup product every day series that I have on my channel. So I'll do a full dedicated review video on this. And I'll try out the different uses for it, all of that. And then here, ooh, I got another makeup product. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I don't remember choosing this, but this is my all-time favorite clear brow gel. So I am stoked to get another one of these. I used mine up a long time ago and I hadn't repurchased yet because they're kind of pricey, but wow, this is so exciting to get. I actually have a full dedicated review video on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel that I can have linked in the description down below if you want to see that video. Yeah, it is one of the options on here. Maybe it's just one that I didn't get to choose, so I didn't know I was getting it, but that's awesome. Out of all of the options that I could have gotten, cuticle oil, coffee scrub, or a water bottle, or the clear brow gel, I am so happy I got the clear brow gel. And then another liquidy product. This is Stress Reliever Natural Hair Oil. Ooh. This is from the brand Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% Natural Ayurvedic Hair Oil. Whoa, $75 for this. It says, give your scalp a massage and relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. I have never really massaged my head, but now I have some head massage oil. I should really try this out. I think I could use some stress relief. It says, use your fingers to apply into the scalp and hair, massage lightly, shampoo and rinse after 1 hour. So I'd have to use this before one of my hair washing days. Oh my gosh, okay, this product is something I am so excited about and something I've been wanting to get for so long. So this is from the brand Nectar, and these are blue light glasses. All I do is look at screens. That's what I spend my life doing. Yeah, these are the Nectar Sunglasses Blue Light Blocking Glasses in Brown Tortoise. Retail value of $45. These are cute and stylish. I hope they look good on me. My ring light is reflecting in them too much for you to really tell how they look. But, I mean, I don't look amazing in them. But if they serve the purpose for protecting my eyes while I'm looking at screens all day, then that is fine by me. I am going to use these every time I work on my computer. That's awesome. I'm so excited I finally have blue light glasses. And then the last product on the bottom here is another product that I chose that I'm really excited about. And it's from the brand Mia Melange. Mia Melange. Handcrafted designs. It's a foldable cotton basket. And I think this is so cute, but I got this with the purpose in mind of it being a little basket for dog toys because, wink wink, hint hint, I might be needing this soon. Oh, it's so cute. Perfect. I mean, this could be used for anything, but when I saw this, I was like, that's what I want the purpose to be. And I think it'll be perfect. It's a great size. So you can store a lot in here and it's really cute design. So I'm really, really excited about this. Wow, this was an awesome FabFitFun box. Did I mention the retail value of this is $60? I feel like I got a lot of really high value items in this box, and I got some items that I really have been wanting, but I got them for the best deal. And then I got some products from new brands. I got some great self-care. Honestly, there's nothing in here that seems very fall themed to me. this could just as much have been a summer box or really any season. Like, all of these products can be used year-round, and I'm sure I will use them year-round. So let me do a quick recap and show you everything I got. So first, I got this basket. I got the blue light glasses. Those are my two favorite things. Well, the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, that's my other favorite. So those are my top 3 favorite things that I got. I'm so excited about them. And then I got the Glossmetics hair removal device, the Beauty Crop highlighter, the Height Sleep Mist, the Laundress Crease Release Spray, and the Stress Reliever Hair Oil, bringing me to a total retail value of $319.49. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is such an amazing little haul. I'm so excited for all of these products and to use all of them. I'm gonna go start using some of these right now. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.